Hi, I'm Faiza Shashil from Ghetto Studio. Today we are going to make triple chocolate cookies. They are so soft and chewy and so delicious. The recipe you can get from the description box, and as you can see all the ingredients have been weighed, so keep in mind you have to weigh them, not to use your measuring cups, or only for the baking soda and the salt you have to use the spoon. So let's get started. I have preheated the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, first I'll beat the butter that was at room temperature with the brown sugar and the caster sugar. While it's being beaten, I will sift the cocoa powder with flour mixed with the baking soda and the salt. I have to scrape the sides in between till we get the fluffy consistency. Once they are nice and fluffy, I will add the vanilla extract and beat it again. Now I will beat it at low speed and will add eggs one by one. After adding the egg, I will increase the speed to medium. After the addition of each egg, you have to mix it thoroughly before you add the next. Okay, once the batter is beaten, I will add all of the sifted dry ingredients and will mix on slow. Now I will add the chocolate morsels and the chocolate chips into that. I will keep some of the milk chocolate and the white chocolate so I can just put on some cookies on the top. And now we will mix these together on low speed. And we are done. I have lined the cookie sheets with the parchment paper, and using the smaller scoop, I will drop the cookies, keeping them 2 inches apart. You can use the medium size or the biggest size of the scoop as well, but I needed some extra cookies, that's why I'm using the smaller scoop. When all are scooped out, I will just place the chocolate chips randomly on the cookies. So we will bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. So cookies are done and you have to shift them to the cooling rack, and when they are completely cold, then you have to store them in an airtight container for like 3 to 4 days. So hope you enjoyed the recipe. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming recipes, tutorials and so much more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.